Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload images on Circuit Design Space using your iPhone. This is perfect for custom stickers, t-shirt, logo, and more. Let's get started. Open the Circuit Design Space app on your iPhone. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from App Store. Now tap New Project at the bottom of the home screen. That brings you to the blank canvas where your design will start. At the bottom of your screen, tap Upload. This is where you choose the image you want to bring into Circuit Design Space. Tap Upload. Tap Select from Photo Library. Tap Next. Tap Select from Photo Library. Your iPhone photo will open. Choose the image you want to upload. You can upload your image in PNG, JPG, screenshot, logo, drawing, any picture you saved. Circuit will now email and ask you want to clean it up, like remove to erase background, restore to bring back parts, crop to trim its edges, zoom in with two fingers for details. Once you are happy, tap next. Now Circuit asks what type of upload you want. Cut image turns your image into simple shape for cutting first, then cut out around it. Pick the option that machine matches your project, then tap upload. Your uploaded image now appears in your uploads list. Tap it, then add to canvas. You will see it appear on your project screen. Using two fingers to resize the image, drag it anywhere on the canvas. You can also rotate, duplicate, or change color depending on the image type. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.